You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this popular Arabic name. The meaning is the chosen one or the selected one, implicating or suggesting the chosen one by Allah, God, the Muslim God. Arabic pronunciation is simple. Mustafa, that's how you pronounce it in Arabic. Mustafa. Therefore, the English pronunciation is fairly similar as well. Mustafa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.